Quick video on the 2021 Click Bar by Duotone. It's pretty similar to the last year and the year before in terms of how its mechanics and everything else. I guess the only big difference and the only reason why I didn't go with a 2020 version, which you could get a bit cheaper at the moment, is the new lines. And visually they're very different from the old lines. They're meant to be stronger, stretch less, which is always good. Hopefully they're as robust as the old lines have been, but generally structurally I think the bar is pretty same, barring a slightly different colour scheme and some grip pads variation from last year. So the lines are the key bit of difference. The only old thing there as well, so I've got the chicken loop and the fifth line. The fifth line is running off the old style lines because these don't look like these Flight 99 Rob line lines that are coming with the new bar. There's definitely a variation between that and the old lines. I don't think the fifth line is, there's no load onto the fifth line, so I don't think it's going to make a big difference, in terms of whether these stretch and that one does. But I was surprised. I did think I was going to get an updated fifth line as part of the package. I guess the point there is you could probably just get the 2021 bar and then order 2020 additional accessories and potentially get them cheaper, maybe. And then I've got the old truss bar here. It's 2000 and something or another. It's about 6-7 years old. But you can see definitely the difference between these lines and the more contemporary Rob line lines. And there's definite thickness. I reckon they're like maybe quarter of the diameter, I should say, I guess, of the older style lines, which have been running on Northern Duotone for quite a while now. So that's just a bit of a close-up. I think that's the only real difference that I could see. Functionality is all the same, but these lines are supposed to be good. Let's see, we'll find out.